Tirnesh, 30:26:69. It's a wonderful time, meeting record world fastest time. Did you expect the race so fast?
እንደዚህ ፈጣን ሮጣለሁ ብለሽ አስበሽ ነበር?
አዎ መጀመሪያ ስመጣ ያው ለዚህ ውድድር ተዘጋጅቻለሁ። ፔስ ሜከሮቹ ቆንጆ ከሄዱልኝ ከዚህ የበለጠ ሰዓት ሮጣለሁ ብዬ ነበር። ያው ፔስም ጥሩ አልሄዱልኝም ትንሽም ንፋስ ስላለ ያሰብኩትን አሮጥኩም ይሁን እንጂ ያው ደስ ብሎኛል ይሄን በመሮጤ።
I'm happy with the time, but I would have run a better time if the pace was much faster and there was not a little wind, but I'm satisfied with my time.
You also won in 2008. Can you describe which victory was easier for you today or a few years ago?
2008 እዚህ ሮጠሽ ነበር የዛሬ ይሻልሻል ለይሴ ያለፈው?
በዛ ሰዓት ስሮጥ አሞኝ 200 ሜትር ለቅቄ ነው በመጨረሻ ደርሼባቸው ያሸነፍኩትና ህመም ስለነበረኝ ያው ጥሩ ሰዓት ማሮጥኩም ይሄ ነው የተሻለ የሮጥኩት።
This race was much better because last time I was a bit sick, but this is a very good race for me. Today was a good race for me.
Thank you very much. Cheers.